Western Washington University's Vehicle Research Institute is home to some of the most innovative student vehicle projects in the Northwest. Students come from all over the U.S. to learn and master vehicle engineering. And this is where all the fun happens. This is also where all the in-house production takes place for the Formula SAE team. So Formula SAE is a club here at Western, and it's one of the most active student projects in the VRI. Students come together every year to design and build open-wheel Formula-style race cars to compete in competitions against hundreds of other schools from around the world. The idea behind competition is that it's much more than just who has the fastest car, but who can best display a thorough understanding of engineering and business and apply it to the automotive world. As a result of these projects, the VRI has been producing very hardworking and young students that are gaining skills that make them very valuable assets to companies all over the world. We now have students that are working in companies such as Toyota, Boeing, Tesla, working on projects that are now changing the way and have a huge influence in the automotive and aerospace industry. So with the past projects in the VRI, a lot of knowledge and a lot of experience has been accumulated within the team and within the institution. We've decided that as a team, we want to take this year's project to the next level. So this upcoming year, the SAE, Society of Automotive Engineers, will be bringing a brand new competition to America. And since this competition is so new, only 20 teams will be allowed to participate. What makes this competition separate from the traditional is that cars are now required to run an all-electric powertrain. So with the way that the automotive industry is heading, it's apparent that there is a shift away from the traditional internal combustion engines and towards alternative energy. By doing this project, we're able to get this team full of students who are all aspiring to work in the automotive industry, the experience of working on this project now while we're young and still learning, and being prepared for what the future holds. So this year's electric car, Viking 54, has been designed to use an MREX brushless DC motor. Monitoring the motor will be a Sevcon 4th generation size 8 motor controller, which is all going to be powered by a 300 volt, 5 kilowatt hour battery pack, which is all going to be housed by a half composite monocoque, the rear steel tube frame, sporting push-rod suspension. Designing and building an electric vehicle is very expensive. One of the biggest challenges that we're facing right now is dealing with the costs. With all the big components like the motor controller, safety systems, and the battery packs, when all added up, can be extremely expensive. This is where we're looking for help. We already have a plan on getting our hands on a motor and a controller, and safety systems aren't too far off from how much we normally allocate towards electronics, but these battery packs are the biggest expense, and it's why we're here looking for help. Right now, the price is about $1,000 per kilowatt hour, so that's $5,000 per pack. We'll want 2 packs to account for appropriate testing and competition. We absolutely have the manpower, we have the determination, and the knowledge base. We just need the financial support to help us get a final product. This is an amazing project with an enormous amount of potential. This team is made up of some very passionate and intelligent young students, so please help us produce an amazing car, but also show the world what young students are capable of doing.